In the heart of Italy, a man named Guglielmo Marconi, a visionary inventor, was about to change the world forever. Born in Bologna in 1874, Marconi's fascination with electricity was ignited at an early age. By the dawn of the 20th century, he was determined to harness its power to send messages without wires. The year was 1901, and Marconi's dream was on the brink of becoming a reality. He had constructed a large wireless telegraphy station on the remote cliffs of Cornwall, England, facing the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. The strategy was simple yet groundbreaking. Send a radio signal from the shore of England to the shores of Newfoundland, a distance of over 2,000 miles. The world watched, skeptical, as Marconi prepared to send his first transmission. On December 12, under the watchful eyes of the British Navy, Marconi initiated the first radio signal. The air was filled with anticipation as the signal, in the form of electromagnetic waves, journeyed across the ocean. After hours of tense wait, a spark ignited in the receiving equipment at Newfoundland. The signal had reached its destination. The world had never before witnessed such a feat. News of Marconi's achievement spread like wildfire. The implications were immense. Warships could now communicate across vast distances, revolutionizing naval strategy. Rescue operations could be coordinated with unprecedented speed, saving countless lives. Marconi's invention was a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity. It marked the dawn of a new era, an era where the unseen waves of the air would become the lifeblood of global communication. Yet, Marconi's journey was far from over. The challenges that lay ahead were immense, but the inventor was undeterred. He knew that his work had just begun, and the world was eager to see what he would do next. In the face of seemingly insurmountable odds, Guglielmo Marconi had pushed the boundaries of what was possible. His invention of wireless telegraphy was a turning point in human history, a monument to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.